Hello, I'm Izere Roger, representing Medseal. Medseal is a blockchain AI-powered system that enhances access to medical services. Our system architecture is simple. We have four types of users, which are healthcare provider, patient, admin, and NGO. These are combined to the UI, which is running on top of ICP LLM, as well as the ICP network on the back end. Without wasting our time, let's continue with the demonstration of our product. When you open our system, you are just requested to see this landing page, which means that it's Medseal deployed on ICP mainnet. This is a progressive web app that is installed on a user computer. This is the link. If you didn't install it, it can run normally on the browser, but we just recommend everyone just to install this so that you can experience high user experience. These are the key information from the Medseal, where you see why Medseal, you see different things including how to install and even other things. Without wasting our time, let's sign in. By clicking sign in, the authentication page is going to open, and then you have to connect your wallet. While connecting your wallet, you can choose among three options, which are NFID wallet, internet identity, and even Prague wallet. For now, I'm just going to use the internet identity. After clicking on the internet identity, I wait for it to open. I'm just going to authenticate with one pre-registered user. If you don't have account, you can simply register. Let me use this principal, which ends in 43, then let me continue. After continuing, I have to wait a little bit of time so that I can be redirected to the main system page. Then, as you can see, the wallet is now connected and I'm authenticated. I'm authenticated as the doctor. As you can see, this is the medicine repository where the admin manage medicines. He can add new medicine or just change what he have added before. He can also create prescription for the patient so that the patient can access this prescription. While registering the medicine, I can go through a little bit of it. You have to provide the medicine name, dosage, frequency, duration, and even side effects. Then he's going to attach the medicine guide, which is PDF, and that is going to be processed by the OCR technology so that the AI can be able to understand what the medicine guide is. Then after, while he click on add medicine, then it is going to be in the medicine repository. Then after, let's back on the prescription. Creation of the prescription. While creating the prescription, he simply have to provide the patient name, for example Daniel, then patient contact 078 or any other contact of the patient. It can be phone number, email address, or another one. Then additional notes, for example, take it as instructed. Then after, he have to attach the medicine to the prescription. After attaching the medicine to the prescription, he's going to create the prescription. You have to wait a bit while the system accepts the request. As you can see, this is the information of the prescription created, where there is a prescription code which is going to be provided to the patient so that he can use it while claiming this medication. As you can see, it is attached with one medicine. Also, it was created at this time and then it is still pending, which means that the patient didn't access it. As you can see, the above one for Loja have been accessed on 23rd at 11 a.m. where it have been accessed by the patient, and this is the timestamp of the patient who have accessed it. Not only that, but also the doctor can get verified, which means that he can be a verified professional so that he can proceed with other features such as reviewing the patient cases and even others. This is where he submits the verification to the administrator. This is the exact dashboard the admin is supposed to see, which shows the summary of the medicines, prescriptions, the prescriptions that have been accessed, and even those one which are pending. Not only that, but also you have access to the AI chatbot where he can
Hello,
chat with.
I'm your Medseal health partner in general mode.
As you can see, this AI assistant will be providing the assistant through an audio and even a video assistance. For example, when he asks explain dosage guidelines and send, he have to wait for the AI just to respond. By default, it is supposed to respond while speaking or he can just mute it by clicking on this button. He wait a bit according to the network
Dosage
performance.
guidelines. Dosage guidelines for medications vary based on several factors, including 1. Age and weight. Dosages may be adjusted for children.
As you can see, the AI is able to read what the response the chatbot have provided and then read it to the doctor, which simplifies the time he can waste on reading this. This will be assisting him. Also, let me show you another at prescription,
As your
which just
Medseal AI
perform medication recommendation. This is specific for recommendations, which means that when he or she is going to provide the prescription to the patient, he can access that prescription guide through an AI here. Then without wasting our time, let me switch the account. Let me connect another internet identity, for example, for the patient who have accessed it before, the patient who have accessed the medication before. Then I have to click continue and wait for the authentication. I wait a bit while internet identity is authorizing me. Okay. As you can see now, I've been authenticated. I'm just on the patient portal where I have 0 active prescriptions and 1 in history, and even AI support is ready. When I click to the recent prescription, I'm supposed to see the prescription this patient have just prescribed or have claimed as the one that have been designated to him, where I have to click on the record, and then as you can see, I can see the information of the prescription I've been provided with. I can ask AI about this prescription as well as read the information of this prescription. This will be simplifying the traditional way where the doctor has to give you the medication and then give you the guide that is found in the medicine box just to read what you are
Hi,
asking.
I'm your Medseal health partner in
As you can see, when I ask AI about this, I'm supposed to see the chatbot that is able to answer my queries or to answer the queries of the patient according to what medication guide have been provided by the doctor and even other issues. I can, for example, ask it what are my side effects of these medications. Then I send. I wait for it just to respond. Then it's processing the request in prescription mode so that it can answer the patient. Let's wait for
According to
it.
your prescription, you have been prescribed paracetamol. Side effects of paracetamol, acetaminophen. 1. Headache. Some people may experience headache, but it is less common.
As you can see, AI is able to see the medication guide attached to this prescription and then answers the patient queries according to what have been answered. As you can see, this will be helping the patient just to understand actually what medication have been given, what are the side effects of it, what are other queries will be responded by the AI instead of the doctor. This will be simplifying the delays between how you just have to contact the doctor and then the doctor have to respond to your query. Simply, the patient is going to ask this to the AI, and then AI is going to read the prescription and even the medicine guides and then answer the patient. Let me close this and proceed. This is the prescription history. This is general AI chat where the patient can ask any question he or she is having, and then the AI is going to assist him in general mode. Also, he can submit the case. On this feature of submitting the case, we just know that we don't have equal financial stability for covering medical bills. This medical assistance request will be used by the patient just to request for NGO or its partners for the support in paying the medical bills. As you can see, the patient have to fill this and specify what amount he or she is needing, and then submit this medical assistance request so that NGO can review this. He can also see my cases, which will be the cases he have submitted to the NGOs. Without wasting our time, let's proceed with the NGO. I'm going to connect the wallet with a plug. Then I have to authenticate with Prague. Then after clicking authenticate with Prague, I have to wait for it. Sorry, the password is long. Loja. Then I approve the request. You can see I don't have the account. Let me create it. Because I didn't create the system administrator, I will be able to create it, but let me create that of NGO. It's ngo@gmail.com. Then let me create the account. After creating the NGO account, I'm just heading to the dashboard of the NGO, where you can see the NGO is able to see the overview, submit verification request, see the approved cases, or create contribution pools, even see the impact analysis. This request verification, it's the feature that is being used by the NGO to request for administration verification. Let me just sign out so that I can show you how at admin this will be working. Let me use also internet identity again, more options. Let me create another internet identity, more inter identity, create new. Okay, let me create it. I wait for I wait a bit for it. I saved and continue. Okay, I've been authenticated. Let me create administrator account. Roger admin at gmail, for example, blockchain.org. Then I wait for it. As you can see, this is administration dashboard where an admin will be using this to see the overview of the system, even manage the doctors, manage patient cases, and even see the system analytics. As you have seen, this is how Medseal is working. We've actively working on improving it, also adding other users in this region around, where we added the access to the NGO information by the patients. Also, the patient can also submit the support requests. This will be enhancing the healthcare roadmap, where the patient will get easy to access services while simplifying the time they were just spending on the process. Thank you. This is the demonstration of the Medseal at the regional round.